Hello, dear friends. How are you? This is Tariqul Islam comes again with a new episode of parenting series. You know that this is a continuous episode vlog where I am trying to discuss different aspects and issues related with parenting. And today I will discuss another important thing, that is the 23rd episode of my parenting series. Today I will discuss about the process of building confidence on your baby, how you will help them to develop their confidence level upward from their very early age. You have to do 5 important things that will help them to build their confidence level upward and be confident in different situations of their life. First of all, never underestimate your babies. You know that when the baby are in the learning process, they may mistake many things. They may wrongly talk about anything. They may choose wrong words or do something differently, explain something differently. Though if you underestimate them, then they will become some type of feeling negligence from their circumstances and will be introvert. That will lower their confidence level. So don't try to underestimate them and always appraise them positively. The second important thing is let them be appraised. When they do anything better, when they do anything successfully for the first time, appreciate them in some positive manner. Like you may give some incentives, it may be some sweet words or some inspiration or some gift. In many ways you can appreciate them and it will motivate them to do again and again more successfully and in some different other ways, and they will be more motivated, more confident that they can do anything. The third important thing that you should do, that let them face situation. Sometimes we try to interfere on their world. When they face any problem, like they are fighting, they are quarreling with their friends, we interfere on their quarrel and try to support them. But this support make them in confidence, because when they can face the situations, adverse situations, negative situations, they be adapted with the situations and learn how to handle the adverse situations. So it will make confidence on them. So let them face their situations and handle the events that happened with them. And then the fourth important thing that you should do, that is you will give them opportunity to know the other world. Sometimes we try to give them extra care, that we don't let them go outside or do anything with the friends, or we always try to keep them on a border, and they don't know the world beyond the border. That's why their experience level become lower and it reduces their confidence level also. So when you let them go on other beyond their border, beyond their territory, and introduce with different people, experience with different events, it will increase their knowledge level as well as their experience, and their confidence will also be enhanced. So that is the fourth important stage. And finally, don't push them to do anything. If they want to do anything and you don't want to allow them, try to motivate them by discussion. Don't push them, don't order them, don't bound them to do anything. If you push them, it will create a monotonous and a bad feelings on their minds, and they will become something like that. They think that they are not suitable for taking decision, and for in future when they will face some type of a situation, they will ask to you. They will not create decision by their own, because the previous experiences guide them that you are not able to take the proper decision, and that's why their decision making level and applying level will be lower. So let them do their own decision and don't push them. You may try to motivate them. When you will motivate them, and discuss with them, you will give some clear vision about the decision and how to take right decision. Then they will be able to be confirmed that that is the right way and we should go on that guideline, and we will take my decision then successfully. And if you can do these 5 things perfectly, I am very much assure you that you will be able to help them to build their confidence level. And you have to do this when they are at the age below 5 years. You know that I am now conducting this series at the stage from 1 year to 5 years. So when they are as from 1 year to 5 years, especially 2 and 3 years child, if you do this, they will be benefited by you, and it will be a good technique of parenting. So thank you very much. Today I will finish my video. I will come again with another video of this parenting series tomorrow. Stay home, stay safe. Bye.